Welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to work on this Humvee ambulance. So it comes in all these parts. First of all, the most straightforward thing to do is to work on cutting away the sprue marks, the sprues, and clean up the sprue marks. So I'm just clipping away the wheels. Our business sells a bunch of other Humvees, so this is adding to that lineup. It's kind of cool. So cleaning up that sprue mark. All right, that's done. Good. And continuing on with the process. Let's clean up that sprue. There we go. And there's actually a piece here. There we go. Let's clean up this sprue mark there, that piece. Good. And then there's this sprue cut. Done. All right, so we're done with the clipping away process. Let's start to glue this together. So as you can imagine, of course, this piece goes like that. So let's glue that. Most straightforward of this. All right, put some glue there. Just lining up this. Make sure that it's lined up well. All right, I think that's good. Next, of course, is this roof. So just put some glue there, and then let's get this piece here. Looks good to me. Very good. Now there's this piece. It's supposed to go there. So to get that piece there, let's get some glue there. And then, using the tweezers to help me get that piece in there. Done. That's good. Up next, we need some glue here. In here. So get that piece glued in like that. And then get this piece glued in like that. Very good. Now what's left is just the wheels. So let's go ahead and put those there. So the idea here is just get that axle in the center of the wheel. And let's do the other side. Axle in the center of the wheel. Well, there you go. The Humvee ambulance, available from Miniature Tanks Company at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.